But this is what it looks like. Hi. Oh, I don't know if you can see that at all. But it's just like a fun look to do. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and more YouTube videos will be on the way. So, toodles!
Hello, Kayla. And, losing the volume. I'm home alone. Well, I'm not home alone, but I'm homesick. And I decided to do a YouTube vid. I'm going to do a tutorial. Again, so pin the things back. I know I look weird, but I'm with me. See the part. Then again. And to this one. What goes first? Let's start with increase the side. Let's get that. Green. That's what morning. Yeah. Then, okay. Red. Put it up. No, I did that. Got it. What? Did. Never seen that. Leave. Did you guys? I need to grab it. Ta-da! And there you have it. And what I did was I took like the purple and stuff and I pushed it out like that to give it that effect, like that. And then now I'm just going to take. Hold on. Okay. Now I'm just going to take some more of this powder stick and go under the eye and smudge, and then right here to give it a nice healthy look. Then maybe right there and there. And I will show you in pictures. And for my lips, I'm going to take a gold. For your lips, I'm going to do stuff too. It's going to be fun. It's going to be nice and funky. Alright. I'm going to take one of these things. If I can get it open. Okay. I'm going to take a dark red. Like that. Then I'm going to take the color next to it. You smudge it. Then I'm going to take the color next to that, which is this, like, pink. And accent the pump. Like that. Then I'm going to take this pink. That's going to be my base. Like that. Then this color next to it. For the center. And then just a light, nice tone. See that? Take it. And then, if you have any extra, then that means you have too much, but I don't, so, for that. And now I'm just going to add some gold. Like that. The gold is going to give it like a shimmer. Like that. Take away the thing in the middle. And there you have it. And now just some, no, I don't even need foundation. Then take your hair down. And there you have it. Now I'm going to take some pictures so you can see. And hope you enjoyed. And stay tuned because there'll be more. I don't only do makeup tutorials though, so yeah.
Okay, so as you can see, my camera doesn't take good pictures. Well, I don't take good pictures, so.